Now the program, we have 12 weeks, of which the first week is preparatory week, and you should be watching this during preparatory week and picking up on what you need to learn and know in order to be ready to start work on the first time you meet. But week by week, when I get a hold of you, the first thing we will do is to form a team. Second time of meeting, we'll hold a game using Lego blocks. It's actually called the Lego Scrum game. It's a lot of fun. It teaches you about agile project management and agile projects generally using Lego, and that's great. So that's the second time we meet, second week, or week 3. Week 4, we bring in the customer. In some years past, I've actually had a real live customer who's external to the subject. This year, I haven't been able to attract a live customer in time, so we will use last year's problem, and we'll see how we can work with that. So for the customer, it's likely to be me. But anyway, the customer will be there, and you'll be able to ask them questions about things you don't understand and want clarified. Then, in the 5th week, there will be a peer review of the requirements. So one group, I'll describe that later, but there's a peer review. And then it's followed by the design. That is the architecture, the data, and the user interface, user experience design. You have to get that all done, and that will be followed by another review of that design. That brings us to the midterm break. The week after the midterm break, we'll have a look at software construction, followed by testing and then documentation. Then your final review, which is a review of the system's delivery readiness. And the last week of term is when you demonstrate your system to your tutor, who has a test spec there and will mark it. So that's the program.